Alright, here we go. Anyways, we're back. We're going to be making our way from New Orleans Square to Mickey's Toontown Depot. And actually, if you look on that wide sign on top of the station, it actually says Frontierland, obviously because this is actually originally called Frontierland Station.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering Splash Mountain, rumored to be the location of the one and only Laugh-In Place. If you look real hard, you just might find it. It's where the critters are celebrating a zippity-doo-dah day. Speaking of critters, this place we're passing over is home to a whole bunch of them. Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Brer Rabbit, and Brer Bear on their fun-filled adventures.
Alright. And I think I should mention that, crap, I don't know what I was going to say. Ugh.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, the last outpost in these parts, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. There is the revered Indian shaman sharing his story with those in the Great River Valley below.
There's Tom Sawyer's Island.
People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
I just saw a train going up the final lift hill in Thunder Mountain. Yeah, so there was the only left-hand turn on this track. And I should also mention that I'm now in the back car. I came to be by my family and stuff. Yeah, just in case you're wondering.
This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of ear. The ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, a cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until the train brings to a full complete stop. Again, this is Mickey's Toontown Depot, your gateway for It's a Small World. You can splice up your characters, Snow White's scary adventures. We'll have cartoons and Mickey and Minnie's House, Off the Boat, and many others.
Mickey's Toontown.
This is Mickey's Toontown Depot, gateway to Fantasyland. Alright. So yeah. Yeah, somewhere along here is one of the... We just crossed over some of the entrances to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, which will probably go later today. Alright, well, I'll start filming again when we start going. And as you can see, now I actually moved to the back car because, you know, my family was now riding there. So I'll update you guys soon. Heading out.